Hello guys, and today we are taking the subway for the first time. Okay, so entering Morgan Avenue subway station. Okay, just gonna look at the map real quick. No. Okay, now you can put the metro cards. I know that was the train that left. Okay, go. Rookaway Parkway, Canarsie.
Yes, Rookaway Parkway, Canarsie.
There's a bunch of fingers. The platform is very quiet, I see. Simply quiet. Mommy, can you tie my shoe?
Okay.
Guys, just one second. Oh, that's okay. Mommy, thanks for taking me to take this away for the first time. Oh, Jesus Christ, that almost skimmed. No. Mommy, we're not taking the one to Manhattan. We're taking the one to Brooklyn.
Yes, to Brooklyn.
It's about 14th Street, 8th Avenue. It's about Manhattan. Okay, there it goes. Okay, the train's leaving Morgan Avenue. Just left. Grand Central, Madison, Metro North, and the subway in one place. Tengo ka, mami. Okay. 1 second, please. Yes.
Si this ang Brooklyn bound, vámonos.
I don't want to. Okay, I don't know. If they say Brooklyn bound, that means we're going home. Not to Canarsie Rockaway, actually. You know what? Never mind. I feel nothing from the thing, I guess. I don't know yet. Mommy, let me know when the train is coming.
Okay.
Guys, if the train is coming, that means we're going home. And Mom says it's 11 stops. Okay, it's been like, I don't know, like 10 minutes or something?
Ladies and gentlemen, the next Rockaway Parkway bound.
That's right. That's what I'm talking about, baby. We're going home. That's it. We're going home. It's going that way or that way. I don't know. No, 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 no. The train is here. This is what I'm talking about. Yo.
Be careful.
This is a Rockaway Parkway bound L train. The next stop is Jefferson.
Okay, we're taking the subway. Okay, this is an L2. We're taking it to New Lots Avenue B15 to JFK Airport. Oh, Jesus Christ. Guys, look, we're leaving. If we're in New Lots Avenue, that means we're home. See the people. I recorded the people. Thanks for taking me on this field trip. Hey mom, wanna talk? Okay, never mind. Mommy, the next station is Jefferson Street.
Okay.
Atlantic Avenue, Long Island Railroad.
¿Cuál nos quedamos nosotros?
Jefferson Street.
New Lots Avenue. Okay, this is Jefferson Street. No. We're not stopping here. Oh, that's the other platform. Never mind.
This is a Rockaway Parkway bound L train. The next stop is DeKalb Avenue.
Stand clear of the closing doors, please.
Oh shit! That almost sent me to. Jesus Christ! That almost sent me to the end of the car.
Solo viste hablar pasito.
Jesus almost had the pandemic or something. Okay, we're going to New Lots Avenue. I know I don't think this is back.
DeKalb Avenue.
Okay, we are at the DeKalb Avenue. Arriving DeKalb. How come there is only R143 to Manhattan and only R160 in Sarah?
This is a Rockaway Parkway bound L train. The next stop is Myrtle Avenue, Whitehall Avenue.
Stand